guys, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I'm going to create this look using Pat McGrath products. Pat McGrath recently went on sale, so I got everything that I needed, everything that I don't have from her collection. For my palette, I'm going to use this beautiful Midnight Sun palette. It is my favorite palette from Pat McGrath. So if you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. First, I want to use the Pat McGrath Nude Astral Lip Fetish Lip Balm. Okay, this is just, it's supposed to be just a lip balm, but it has super glittery. Oh my gosh, okay. I hope this is going to nourish my lips. It's because I'm using this as lip moisturizer. Moving on, I'm going to use the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. This one is very hydrating and makes my makeup looks very good. I need some hydration because I am experiencing peeling on my face. I have been using overnight peeling serum from Good Molecules. I actually like Good Molecules right now. And I'm seeing results just in weeks. Probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Short period of time. Next, I want to use the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Primer. This is the famous, expensive, overly priced primer. Pat McGrath, they always say that you pay for the experience. Packaging is experience and the way it came to you is experience. I like that this bottle is very simple, but for $45, I am expecting a little bit more. Maybe a glass bottle would be nicer. This one is just plastic. Pat McGrath has this step-by-step, I think she called it like a system. This is the first step. I also want to concentrate here where my pores is visible when I put makeup. Okay, it reminds me of the Tatcha Silk Primer. It says that it's supposed to have a blurring effect, but I don't see it. Moving on, let's go with the foundation. This is Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation in medium, light medium actually. I am in light medium. 14, it's like this. And it opens like that, like a box of cigarettes. It's $68. Very expensive. I think this is the most expensive foundation that I own right now. Bottle is glass. I like that. It looks really good on the desk. I just don't know why they made a primer like this. And if they're together on your desk, this look very cheap. I'm gonna use 2 pumps. Oh, it's very runny. Okay, I don't have the brushes because the brushes cost $48 a piece. So I passed on that and just concentrated with the essentials. Probably the most thin foundation formula I have ever used. It reminds me of L'Oreal though. Valuable fresh wear, 24-hour fresh wear. Okay, again, this is number 14. I think this one has a little bit of olive tone. Light, medium, neutral olive. Beauty blender. I got 14 and I thought it's gonna be light for me. I keep forgetting that I'm very pale right now. All right, so this foundation is very light. It's very thin and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing foundation. It looks just like skin. So I'm gonna put another pump. I think the sponge is absorbing the foundation because it's very liquid consistency. I'm going to try to use my finger to build up this foundation. It's actually nicer to use your finger to apply this foundation. Now I'm enjoying it and seeing that it's a very beautiful finish. Wow. Okay, do not use your sponge, use your finger. If you like a very light makeup, like a no makeup day, this is a good foundation to consider. All right, moving on with the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer. I got the number M16. Okay, so I ordered 12, but they gave me 16, so that sucks, but we'll go with it. I always have grayness around my mouth. I know I should color correct and I know how to color correct, but sometimes it's just like I'm lazy about color correcting. I think it's too much when you color correct. This concealer is actually pretty good. I am impressed with this concealer. It's not very thick, but it's very pigmented. All right, next. This one is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. I have heard a lot of good reviews about this powder and I'm very excited. I got it in medium. I'm gonna put that here all over my cheeks too. Okay, I don't know how I feel about it right now, but it's not like, whoa, this is like magic. Moving on, let's go to the powder. This one is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Setting Powder, and I got it in light medium. So it looks like this. It has a sifter, but it doesn't have a cover. There it goes. All right, next for my brows, I don't have any Pat McGrath, so I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This one is in medium brown. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs. This one is the Tan-tastic Glow Omega ×3, like the blush, the bronzer, and the highlighter. I'm actually gonna use the bronzer today because I don't have any Pat McGrath bronzer as well. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this for now, and then I'll go back to it later. Like I said, I'm going to use the bronzer. This one is the Tan-tastic Glow. Recently, Marc Jacobs released a Cafe collection, hybrid concealer foundation infused with caffeine. He also launched trio palettes, like 2 of these, and this one is in the lighter shade. Okay, I'm also going to use the blush from this palette. The way it looks, it's so nice. The mirror is so nice. What I don't like about this is the highlighter. I don't like the highlighter. It's very chunky. This palette is very buildable, but it's too buildable. I have to get a lot of product in order to show on my face. Doesn't match my body, but it looks good. Next, I was able to snatch this gorgeous palette. $50, I think that's actually for 3 highlighters, that's not bad. And for the formula that you're getting, that's actually reasonable. But I got this on sale and I got it for $37 plus 15% off. Got it for $33. That's not bad at all. This one is a Sigma F35. I like that. It's very buildable. Just like Skin Fetish Divine Rose highlighter. I actually think it's the same formula. I can use all 3 of them. Very addictive to put it all over my face. I wish it had a mirror though. This is beautiful. I recommend this one. All right, I'm going to take off my lip balm. It did moisturize my lips. All right, next I want to go on my lips. This one is the Pat McGrath Parma Gel Ultra Lip Pencil Crayon in Contour. I've been eyeing this pencil for quite a while, but they're so expensive. They're $28. KKW $12, and sometimes they go on sale for $6. So contour, it has a gray hint. Okay, slowly my face is becoming better match for my body. This is a very beautiful shade. Pat McGrath lip liners are really good. If I were to choose though between Pat McGrath and Natasha, I would actually choose Natasha Denona. I think like Natasha Denona has more nudes, so I like that. Pat McGrath, I still have another one that I really want to get from her collection. It is the lip liner Structure, so I'm gonna get that next. I think that is more brown and darker. I'm falling in love with it. It's cute. I like it. Maybe just the way it is, it's actually good. But I'm going to use Matte Trance lipstick. This is Venus in Furs. I want to put that on top, just like, look at that. So pretty. Just in the middle, and then I'm going to do this and create that ombre effect. Venus in Furs. That's pretty. During the sale, I also got the number 3, so I'm complete. This is the Midnight Sun. This is my favorite Pat McGrath palette. This is the Midnight Sun. I'm not going to prep my eyes anymore because I put the concealer on my lid and it's still a little bit tacky, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. MAC 217 brush. I'm gonna get this shade. This one is Taboo. And this is going to be my crease transition shade. MAC 224 brush. And I'm gonna go with Taboo. I think this is more diffused than the other brush. 217 is a blending brush, and this one is a crease brush. gonna go back to MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to use this shade, Vermilion Venom. Okay, just a little bit. And then I'm going to form the V in here, the outer corner. Okay, I think that is good blending. I think this is beautiful. It's coming out really nice. I'm going to get Taboo with the same brush, run that under my eyes. Now this is the dilemma when you're using a Pat McGrath palette. There's so many beautiful shades. You just want to keep adding. I got the eye pencil and the liquid eyeliner. I want to create a wing. Yeah, I like it like this. Next is the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. This is my favorite mascara. Pat McGrath doesn't have setting spray. I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Finally, I got my hands on it. This is the Brow Freeze. It is a clear wax and I've tried it. I did it in the morning and it lasted all day, which is exciting because nothing like that ever happens. Like no product would actually hold my brows. This does. Pretty easy to use. I don't need water. I don't need anything else like special stuff to use it. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. My brows look like feathered. I'm going to use the Astral Solstice. This one is one of the special shades because I want to show you guys this shiny one right here. So I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes. I want you to see it. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so these special shades are not just glittery shadows. They have dimension. They're like highlights, you know, like they don't cast shadows. They're very dimensional when you turn and hit the light. If you guys haven't tried it, I recommend this palette. You guys already know this is my favorite palette from Pat McGrath. Forgot to use the eyeliner, this one Extreme Black. I'm going to line I'm not gonna put it in the inner corner. I wanna leave it black. I also want to line here on top, like so. Look at the difference. Very creamy, beautiful eyeliner. A simple look from Pat McGrath. This is the full face Pat McGrath. I have Estate lashes. These are new. I really like this look right now, but I also want to try this Estate lashes. These are, what did you call this? This one is called Purr. I'm just gonna put this on and I'll be back. Okay, so lashes on. These are the lashes Purr. I like it. They're very nice. They remind me of iconic lashes from House of Lashes. What I like about them, they're very black. It defines my eyes a lot and they're easy to apply. All right, so this is it. This is the look. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being with me. If you have any question, leave in the comment box below. Check out if I have a current giveaway. I would love you to join. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Good job.